In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your website header transparent. This can really elevate the overall look of your site and give it a more modern, sleek appearance. Let's dive right in. First off, you need to select the header you want to make transparent. Headers are the top part of your website, usually where your logo, navigation menu, or key information is displayed. It's often one of the first things your visitors see, so you want to make sure it looks great. Go ahead and click on the header area. You'll notice that a set of editing options pops up as soon as you do this. These are the tools you'll use to customize your header to achieve that transparency effect. Now, it's important to note that some website templates might include additional elements within the header, such as strips and columns, which are essentially sections within sections to help organize design elements. If your header contains any strips or columns, you will need to adjust these too, as they may add color or patterns that could interfere with achieving a full transparent effect. Just like with the header, you need to click on these elements within your header to bring up their individual options for editing. After making sure you've selected the correct header, or any inner elements such as strips or columns, your next step is to change their background settings. With the header selected, look for the option that says Change Background. This option will allow you to modify the appearance directly. Here's where you can decide how transparent you want your header to be. You'll see options to either adjust the opacity of a solid color or to choose a none background. If you decide to go with a solid color, you can simply move the opacity slider to the left to make the color more see-through. This is essentially reducing the intensity of the color, allowing your header to blend seamlessly with the rest of your web page or whatever background image might be behind it. If you prefer a completely clear header without any color, you can opt for a none background. This choice will make the header fully transparent, enabling any design elements behind it to be visible without obstruction. And that, in essence, is all there is to it. You've made your header transparent, giving your website a fresh new feel and possibly even enhancing user experience by maintaining a consistent visual flow throughout your pages. Remember, play around with these settings. A little experimentation can go a long way in achieving the perfect look. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.